Greenie Beanies, it's me, Marvy. Are you as excited as I am for today's video? Then let's watch!
Robot Farmer has a farm.
Robot Farmer, what are you doing?
I want my plants to grow big and tall, so I'm planting the seeds high up in the sky.
That's not going to work.
Do you think they might be broken?
No, you need to plant them in the dirt. First, you dig the hole. Then put in the seeds and cover it up.
Yes! It all makes sense. Dig a little hole, drop seeds like so, more of that dirt, done. Now just all these to go.
How will you ever dig enough holes?
Stand back and watch me go. I'll plant every seed. I planted those seeds the way they should be, but nothing has grown here.
There's more you have to do. After you plant seeds in the ground, they need lots of water.
After seeds are in the dirt, there's another step to take. Plants need fresh, clean water to grow. I'll get some from the lake. Oh, excuse me. Seeds planted in the ground. They've had enough to drink. Nothing's really started to grow. I'm not sure what to think.
Plants need lots of sunlight.
Whoops! Are they growing now?
More than anything, plants need time, love, and care.
Who's that guy?
That's Robot Farmer.
Robot Farmer, you did great!
Wow, that was fun. Should we watch another video? Hey, Eleanor, you want to watch another video? She says yes. Come on, Greenie Beanies.